Hey there, budget buddies. If you're already using everydollar to get a handle on your finances, you might be wondering how to level up to everydollar Plus for even more powerful tools. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to upgrade, so you can enjoy features like automated bank syncing, advanced reporting, and ad-free budgeting. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your everydollar account on the app or website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the profile icon or settings menu, usually in the top right corner. That's your gateway to upgrading. Next, click on Account Settings or Subscription. It might vary slightly depending on the version you're using. Here, you'll see an option that says something like Upgrade to Plus. Go ahead and select that. everydollar will then show you all the awesome perks of the Plus plan, like zero ads and detailed financial insights. If you're sold, hit the Upgrade Now button. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Don't worry, it's secure. Just add your credit card or preferred payment method and confirm the subscription. Plans start at a reasonable price, often around $10 minus $15 a month, but check for any current promotions. Once that's done, everydollar will process your upgrade and voila, you're in. One quick tip. If you ever want to cancel or change your plan, you can do that in the same settings area. Upgrading to Plus isn't just about more features, it's about making your financial life easier and more efficient. So, why wait? Go ahead and make the switch today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Stay budget savvy, everyone.